Hi everyone. Here's another quick tip for Go High Level enthusiasts. As you know or may not know, social planners had some major upgrades. Um, the social planner can let you schedule as far out in advance as you want. It doesn't place any limits on how far out in advance you can schedule posts. And using the AI, you can also have the AI help you write your social media posts as well, which comes in real handy when you're struggling as to what to post next. But in line with that, there's also now comments. You can view who's commented to your posts on any of your channels. I have 3 channels integrated within GoHighLevel, and just by clicking on any one of them, I can see who's posted or who's commented rather to any one of my posts right within each channel without having to log back into Facebook, for instance, or log into LinkedIn to figure it out, right? To see and what's even easier is that I can reply to comments right from here, from one dashboard. I don't have to go into Facebook to do it. Another great thing is the social listening. Now, GoHighLevel now is added this powerful feature, which basically gives you smart insights into what's trending on Google, what's trending on Pinterest, Wikipedia, TikTok, even YouTube, trending videos, popular keywords, popular channels. Now, why is this important? Because you can then use it to help you write your next your next social media post using specific keywords, for instance, that are trending, so that you'll get more impressions, right? So that your post gets spread further, it reaches more people because it's using popular trend keywords. And then here, insights into trending videos, which again, you'd want to know, because then you can create your own version of a already existing trending video and ramp up the number of views, and the algorithm will give that video more exposure for you. So lots of really good information here right at your fingertips. So having this social planner is pretty amazing. It's very powerful. But how can you keep track of how well your social media is doing? Well, you can do that right from your dashboard here. Did you know that you could edit your dashboard? Well, you can. You simply go here where it says edit dashboard. Sorry, it's a little bit cut off there, but nonetheless, it says edit dashboard. And here you have all of these widgets here on the right hand side, you see? And these widgets can be configured and customized for you and your account, your business, your social media, your website, your emails. You can track how many emails are delivered, how many opened, how many people viewed your funnel, right? Your landing pages, your sales funnels. How many people went to total website views. You can adjust any one of these. You can add, you can delete, you can move them around. See, I can move them around. Say I wanted this one here, and then I'll move this one over here. Okay, and but here's what I wanted in terms of your social media. Post by social. So you see here how many, it basically tells me, how many posts I have out there. This is the total number currently over the last 31 days. And then it breaks down how many per social account. So this would be a Facebook. Here's another Facebook account. This is LinkedIn and Instagram. Okay, and then total number of posts, you see right here. Say I just wanted the total number of posts, I could just do it here, which is the same number here. Total impressions by social, it gives me the total number here, and then it breaks it down by social account that I have integrated with GoHighLevel. So where do you find this? So we're going to go over here to the right hand side, and you're going to look for Social Planner. This is new. So under here, see here, total posts, that's right here. That's this number here. Posts by social, that's this over here. And daily posts, I mean, you can get into the nitty gritty. Daily impressions, how many followers you have, how many followers by social. So this is a total number. This breaks it down, just like this broke it down, total number, and then it broke it down by each social media account I have integrated with GoHighLevel. Total number of likes by social, so, and total comments, and comments by social. So you see it breaks it down for each one. You can go into there, you can edit these, total shares by social, daily shares, okay? So here, let me show you here, this one, I can go ahead and edit, right? And so right in here, see, I can tell it, ascending, descending, I can give it a specific date, and I can also comparison date range. I always like to add a comparison. You can compare a monthly comparison or yearly or quarterly or no comparison at all. And then you would save it. And always, guys, I just want to point this out. It's not enough to save it here. You have to save up here where it says save changes in order to, see, and the whole thing, your dashboard is customized to you. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip, and I look forward to next time. Please don't forget to subscribe if you like these type of quick tip videos for GoHighLevel, and share and give a like. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.